Hi, I'm MacKay, and today we're going to be making a delicious side dish using carrots and VH honey garlic marinade. We're going to start with our water. And of course our VH honey garlic marinade. So this is going to be becoming our poaching liquid, so we're just going to bring this up to a boil and then we're going to add our carrots. We've got two different sides of carrots. We have the thicker side and the thinner side. So we're going to cook our thicker side first. We're going to add them in there, turn it down to a simmer, and cook for about 4 minutes. Now these larger pieces have been poaching in the liquid for about 4 minutes. We're going to add our smaller pieces. Now that our carrots have been cooking for about 12 to 13 minutes, we're just going to give them a quick check. Taking a nice paring knife like this, just sliding it in. You should have a little bit of resistance left, so those are cooked perfectly. So now we're going to scoop them out and put them onto our tray to cool down. We're going to put the carrots to the side and make sure that we reserve 1 cup of our poaching liquid. Now that our carrots are cooled down, our pan's nice and hot, we're going to add our oil and we're going to start roasting our carrots. And we're going to carefully put our carrots inside. Now that our carrots are nicely starting to brown, we're just going to add our butter and continue to cook them. Now that we got our carrots nicely roasted, nice dark kind of caramelization on them, we're just going to drain off any excess fat that we have. Now that we've drained off our excess fat, we're just going to add our garlic. Quickly saute that, making sure we don't burn it. Now we have our garlic in there nicely roasted. We're just going to add our vinegar, our poaching liquid, our zest, and salt. We're going to cook this at a high and let that poaching liquid reduce down into a beautiful glaze. Now that our poaching liquid is reduced down to a beautiful glaze, we're just going to finish with a little bit of parsley. Just give it a light kind of shake around. Those look beautiful. Now we're just going to plate them. And there you have it, VH honey garlic glazed carrots. If you want this recipe and many more, you can go to food.crs.